Hello, this is Alex from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce you to one of the must-have items for men in the MovinsEdition series. Goodyer Welt style shoes. It's a new product from MovinsEdition that's owned by Regal's Imperial grade. It's a tassel loafer that uses the Goodyer Welt method and leather sole. A Goodyer Welt shoe or Goodyer Welt boot is made using a strip of leather, rubber, or plastic that runs along the perimeter of the outsole. The machinery used to produce it was invented in 1869 by Charles Goodyer Jr., the son of Charles Goodyer. How is it constructed? First, a welt is stitched to the upper. Then, a strip of canvas is cemented to the insole of the shoe as a point of attachment for the sole. After that, the space that is enclosed by the welt is filled with cork or another material that is porous or perforated to allow for breathability. Finally, the outsole is cemented and stitched to the welt to complete the process. Not only do the extra layers make the shoe more supportive and water-resistant, but because the sole is not directly stitched to the upper, it can easily be separated and resoled. If you want a pair of classic, timeless dress shoes that will last for years, the Goodyer Welt is the way to go. This item is Regal, a high-end product line in Regal Imperial grade. The Regal product line is loved by many men. Alex personally prefers a tassel loafer that rattles over a rather boring upper body. You can see the luxurious finish using the leather sole. The insole is also luxurious. Detail stitching and real leather. Regal's high-end product line Imperial grades. This is the new product from MovinsEdition, which was Regal's Imperial grade, and it was a tassel loafer that used the Goodyer Welt method and the leather sole. High-end product line Regal. It's a new model that's loved by many men today. It's a high-end loafer with both technology and functionality that can be implemented using leather sole instead of rubber sole in a